Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're gonna test this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica Evo espresso machine. It comes to us like not working, not grinding, but the customer he thought because someone put beans in here instead of the ground, instead of they putting it in the ground place. So he thought like that's why it's broken, but that was not the reason. The grinder just get burned. That's it. This is the old one. I replaced it. So let's go ahead and test it and make an espresso shot on it. Perfect. This is really nice espresso shot. Yeah. So thank you for watching.